Hi, I'm Nathan, and I want to talk to you about Clips today. Now, Clips is an app that's already on your iPad or your iPhone, and so there's no registration. Just make sure it's downloaded to your device, and you can use it. Before I start getting to use Clips, some of the reasons why students should be taught Clips or other video recording or editing programs is that students are learning and growing in the society. They will need more skill in video producing, video editing, both in front of and behind the camera. The reason is as they get older, they'll be applying for jobs digitally. They'll be creating their own video assessments for different classes, or maybe they'll have a job where video conferencing is a part of their daily routine. So I want my students to be comfortable in front of the camera and have experience, so when they're confronted with these situations, they'll have that experience to fall back on. All right, so this is Clips. So, all right, and so you want to start a new project. Clips works best if it's in the upright position. There's a couple of buttons I wanted to show you. The long red button is your record button, and what's easy about Clips is that if you hold the button, it's recording. You can see the numbers there on the top counting up. You let go, it stops recording. If you want to continuously record, then you press on it and slide it over, and once it becomes the little square, then it's continuously recording, and then you press it to stop. And you can see at the bottom, there's the little boxes there. Those are the clips that I've made. And so, if you want to delete a clip, you press on it and you just push the trash button to delete it, and it deletes that little section. Okay? All right, well, let's start. Let's say I want to start with an introduction. All right. Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm going to talk to you about plants. All right, and so that's my introduction. So maybe I'll be using this as an opportunity for students to show me what they've learned or what we've been talking about in class. So say I'm going to go take pictures of plants, so I can turn the camera around, click on the plant, take a photo of that. Okay, so if I want to look at that clip, maybe I want to modify it, change the effects on it. So there's some buttons down here. You can change what it looks like. Maybe the comic book effect for this one. Okay, and so if we look at what it looks like, so it's there. All right, and then let's say I take the iPad or my phone outside and I take some different pictures. So if I've got photos, I can add those to my project. So add those, and you can see it adds them at the bottom as different areas. So if I want to rearrange them, maybe I want to put the welcome sign first. I click on it and I can just drag it to the very first, and so I can rearrange the clips so that they're in a different order. Let's see. You can let's see what else I wanted to say. Okay. So let's say I wanted to put a title in, so I wanted to add a poster. Let's say I select one of the posters. I don't know, springtime, since I'm doing plants in the spring. And if I wanted to change the wording there, I just click on it, delete it out, and type on it. So, so I'm going to be talking about plants. So I'm done with that. Now, how do I add that? Well, since it's up there, I press and hold the record button, and it'll record for however long I'm holding it. And okay, and you can see it added it. So if I wanted to change its location, all right, so bring it, click on it, and I can drag it. Let's say drag it all the way in front of the introduction. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and let's see what we have so far. And it'll record for however So it's running through. Turn the camera around. All right, so you notice I have some talking on part of those slides. So, all right, so say for instance I want to go to that slide. I can mute it, and so that takes my talking off. I'll do the same for this one, and then I want to be a little more creative, so I want to put some music behind it. So up at the top right, there's a button for music. I'll just select some of the soundtracks that are there. That sounds nice, so I'll add that to my presentation and say done, and then here's my final product. Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm going to talk to you about plants. Okay, and so you can save that, upload it, and share it with people around you. All right, so that's Clips.